Your contact database isn't a spreadsheet, it's your revenue engine. Most companies treat it like an afterthought. Right now, ask yourself, do you know how many leads in your CRM are outdated? How many contacts have changed jobs? How much revenue you're losing because you can't reach the right buyers? Because here's the reality. You can have the best product in the world, but if you can't reach the right people at the right companies, none of it matters. In this episode, we break down how high-performing go-to-market teams build and maintain B2B contact databases that are accurate, enriched, and packed with buying signals. If you want cleaner pipeline and smarter targeting, this one's for you. So what exactly is a B2B contact database? At its most basic level, it's a structured collection of information about your prospects and customers. But an effective contact database is so much more than a digital Rolodex. It's a strategic asset that powers every interaction across sales, marketing, and customer success. A strong database includes accurate contact information, things like names, emails, phone numbers, LinkedIn profiles. It includes company firmographic information like industry, size, revenue, and location. And it tracks engagement history, your calls, your emails, and things like content downloads. And here's where it gets really powerful. It can even include buying signals and intent data. The best databases integrate seamlessly with your CRM and sales tools. They're secure and compliant with regulations like GDPR. And more importantly, they give your entire go-to-market team a single source of truth to work from. Now let's talk about why this matters. A clean, comprehensive, actionable contact database is foundational for any go-to-market motion. And here are the 3 reasons why. Reason 1 is better customer relationship management. With a strong database, you can track engagement, personalize communication, and manage your pipeline with precision. A more personalized approach enhances customer satisfaction, fosters loyalty, and it leads to repeat business and referrals. Next is those marketing and sales efficiencies. Targeted campaigns based on verified data improve return on investment. Your team spends less time chasing bad leads and more time closing real opportunities. When you have access to accurate, up-to-date information, your go-to-market teams can focus on high-value leads and opportunities. Lastly, better decision-making. When sales, marketing, CS, and RevOps all access the same up-to-date contact information, you get better alignment and better forecasting. This centralization eliminates silos, promotes collaboration, and gives everyone a holistic view of customer interactions. The result? Data-driven decisions that benefit both your business and your customers. Okay, so what makes a contact database truly effective? Here are the key features to look for. First is your data accuracy and freshness. Your database needs to be updated regularly. B2B data decays fast. People change jobs, companies get acquired, emails bounce. If your data isn't fresh, your outreach is dead on arrival. Next are our enrichment capabilities. The best databases autofill missing information. They add context like technographics, firmographics, and those buying signals. Third is segmentation and tagging. You need to be able to group contacts based on industry, role, lifecycle stage, or buying committee position. Segmentation enables targeted, relevant outreach at scale. Fourth is integration with your current tech stack. Your content database should sync seamlessly with your CRM, your marketing automation platform, and those sales engagement tools. Last but not least is compliance and security. Make sure your database provider meets data privacy standards for the regions you operate in. GDPR, CCPA, CASL compliance. These aren't optional. And finally, the ease of use. If your team can't navigate the platform easily, your adoption of it will suffer. Now let's get tactical. Here's your step-by-step guide to building a B2B contact database. Step 1, define your ideal customer profile. Now before you collect a single contact, you need to know who you're targeting. Define your ICP early. Industry, job title, company size, geography, pain points. This is your North Star. Every contact you add should align with this profile. From there, use go-to-market platforms to source verified contact data. Services like Apollo, ZoomInfo, Lucia, 6sense. These tools integrate with your CRM and provide real-time enrichment so your database stays accurate without manual work. The next step is collecting and importing that data. Start with gathering contacts from multiple sources. LinkedIn, webinars, your trade shows, gated content, your website. Use web forms that sync directly with your CRM to capture leads automatically. Step 4, structure your database fields. Include core fields like name, title, company, email, and phone numbers, but also add segmentation attributes, things like industry, revenue, the tech stack, and buying signals. The more structured your data, the easier it is to segment and activate. From there, we can use tags or custom fields to group contacts based on interest, lifecycle stage, or role in the buying committee. This makes it easy to run targeted campaigns and personalize outreach. Step 6 is to enrich and validate your data. Use enrichment tools to autofill missing data and ensure accuracy. Remove duplicates, update outdated records, monitor bounce rates to flag bad emails. From there, you can set controls and permissions to limit who can edit contact data to reduce errors and ensure data integrity. Not everyone needs full access. Protect your most valuable asset. Okay, so you built your B2B database, but that's just the beginning. Maintenance is where most companies fail. B2B data changes fast, people switch jobs, companies merge, emails go stale. If you're not actively maintaining your database, it's decaying in real time. So here are some of the best practices. First is to standardize your data entry. Set clear guidelines for how information should be recorded. Use drop-downs instead of free text fields where possible. Train your team on proper workflows. If you avoid manual entry by automating imports from trusted sources, that's the best plan of attack. Second is to run regular audits. Scheduling these audits quarterly or monthly is crucial. Checking for duplicates, outdated records, and incomplete fields. From there, we can use automation for enrichment. Auto-enrich with trusted third-party tools. This keeps your database fresh without manual effort. Next is we can monitor engagement metrics by tracking bounce rates, response rates, and engagement levels. These metrics tell you when data is going stale and when to attack. The bottom line, maintaining your contact database is an ongoing process that demands consistent attention and a strong strategy. Once your B2B contact database is built and maintained, it becomes a powerful resource across your entire go-to-market team. The first benefit is targeted personalized outreach. With a well-organized database, you can segment audiences and personalize that outreach. Through your emails, LinkedIn messages, call scripts, they can all be tailored to the recipient. That personalized outreach improves engagement and response rates, but more importantly, it fosters connection. From there, the other benefit is your timely outreach. Timing is everything when it comes to sales and marketing. With signals like recent hiring, funding, or product launches, you can time outreaching when a prospect is likely to buy. That increases your odds of a positive response dramatically. Third benefit is engaging the whole buying committee. Modern B2B deals involve multiple stakeholders, not just one. Multi-threading through a strong contact database improves visibility into roles and relationships within the buying committee. You can engage each person appropriately with the right message at the right time. So how do you choose the best contact database solution for your business? Here are the key factors to consider. One is data accuracy and refresh rate. Look for providers that frequently validate and update their records. No 30, 60, 90-day plan. Records need to be updated dynamically. The next is scalability. Choose a platform that can grow with your business. Target coverage. Make sure the database has strong coverage in the regions and industries that matter to you. The next is integration capabilities. Your database should connect seamlessly with your CRM, marketing automation, and sales platforms. Compliance is also very important. Ensure your provider meets data privacy standards for the regions you contact. Next is ease of use. A clean, intuitive interface makes adoption easier. And last, customer support. Strong onboarding and support help your team ramp up fast. The best tools go above and beyond basic contact info to offer real-time enrichment, buying signals, org charts, deep integrations, and global coverage. So here's the bottom line. Building a high-quality B2B contact database is not just about collecting names. It's about empowering your sales, marketing, and operations teams with the insights they need to drive predictable, accelerated revenue growth. By investing in a purpose-built contact database and keeping it clean, accurate, and enriched, you set up your go-to-market teams for success. Thanks for watching. Let us know which strategy you love the most, and don't forget to like and subscribe.